Stay away from the dead raiders. I won't warn you again. You touch one of these bodies, you better be ready to draw steel.
I'm not about to fight you over a corpse.
It's their masks I want. To wear the face of a demon is to gain its power.
These raiders are dead. Can't be much power left in those masks.
A mask seller at the Oni's Breath Inn assures me they're valuable. If you want these masks, pay up or draw your sword.
We'll do this the hard way.
I was hoping you'd say that.
This is where Ina wanted to meet. I'll signal her. Now to wait nearby.
Ready to rob some Oni raiders? The stash is somewhere up on Bear Rock.
Lead the way.
The raiders will regret ever looking my way when I'm done with this bomb.
Yet you say you weren't trained as a bomb maker.
I am a Hanabi master, like the rest of my family.
Fireworks?
You seen them?
Only once, in the south. It was like a flower bursting with flames.
I saw the raiders around here. Follow me.
How did you go from making fireworks to bombs?
It wasn't pretty. Wait. See that cave up ahead?
Probably where they hid the stash.
Bear!
Stay back!
Bears and Bear Rock. Guess we should have known.
What's in here? Only Raider wasn't so lucky.
Found the stash, but it's sealed tight. We'll have to bust it open.
Bombs?
Bombs. We're in. Damn it. There's barely an igniter here. They must have taken it to the castle.
You said they bring in carts of this stuff. If we find the road they use...
We could catch the next shipment. Oh, hold on. There's something else in here.
Looks like some kind of bomb.
Ugh, horribly made. No wonder they want mine so badly.
I'll take them. Might as well put them to good use.
Suit yourself.